Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss Codechef Starters 220 movie hype problem. Let's understand the problem. We are in a movie theater where we are having 2n plus 1 seats, and among the odd positions of that seats we are having some hype values of the person who are sitting there. If we observe this in a visual manner, in total we are having 2 into n plus 1 seats, that means 5 seats. So 1 2 3 4 5. Among these 5 seats, this is the hypeness of the people who are sitting over there in the odd positions. So first position, third position and the fifth position. We can either sit over here or over here. According to Chef, loudness is defined as the maximum hype levels of the two people sitting next to him. That means the hypeness for this seat, the loudness for this seat is defined as either from the left you are getting the hype value of 6, from the right you are getting the hype value of 2. So the maximum among the hype is 6. This is the loudest. Even if you see this in a common sense, the person who is sitting left to you is making a noise of 6 and the person who is sitting right to you is making a noise of 2. So the maximum disturbance will be from the left person. So he is defining it as the loudness. So this is another option where Chef can sit. So if he tries to sit over here, we will once again compare the hypeness of the persons over there. From the left seat you are getting a hype of 2, from the right seat you are getting a hype of 10. The loudness will be the maximum among the hypeness. So the maximum among 2 and 10 is 10. So if you decide to sit over here, you are getting a hype loudness of 6, and if you try to sit over here you will get a loudness of 10. So which place would you choose? Would you go for the place who is making a loud noise of 10 or 6? The question stated that Chef wants a seat with the minimum loudness, so obviously he will go for 6. And the answer for this question is also, for this test case also, 6. That means we want to find a seat which will give us minimum loudness, and we want to find that minimum loudness. Let's understand this with one more example. N is equal to 4 and the person sitting in the odd positions are 20, 2, 8, 19 and 7. These are the hype values of that person, of that people. So 2 into 4 plus 1 will become 9. That means there are 9 seats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And let's place them. This is with hype of 20, this is with 2, this is with 8, this is with 19. I forgot to draw one more seat, sorry. This will be 7. So now you are having an option to sit either over here or here or here or here. If you decided to sit over here, then this will give a hypeness of 20 and this person will give a hypeness of 2. So the loudness will be the maximum among these two. Maximum among 20 and 2 is 20. If you decide to sit over here, then the loudness will be maximum of 2, 8, which will be 8. If you try to sit over here, once again the maximum of 18, 19 is 19. If you try to sit over here, from the left you are getting a hypeness of 19, from the right you are getting a hypeness of 7. The loudness will be the maximum among the hypeness and the maximum value is 19. So if I write this correctly, then we are getting the loudness of 28, 19 and 19, and we want the seed which is giving us the minimum loudness, so we will be choosing here because 8 is the minimum. So if I observe correctly from these two examples, are we just comparing the elements, like these two elements first, like these two, 20 comma 2 first, right? After that we are comparing 2 comma 8, right? After that we are comparing 8 comma 19. After that we are comparing 19 comma 7, because people are going to sit in between them. So if I get the maximum loudness array from this, what I mean, I just meant key, if we find the maximum values from this, then the maximum value between among 2 comma 20 is 20, from 2 comma 8 is 8, 8 comma 19 is 19, 19 comma 7 is 19. So are we left with the same array? Yes, and we just want the minimum value among this, and the minimum value is 8. That means we are finding the maximum loudness first. After finding the maximum loudness, we are taking the seed which is giving the minimum of those all maximum loudness. So I hope all of you are able to understand this problem, and the execution is also simple. What are we doing? We are just finding the maximum value among the persons who is sitting next to them, and after finding that, we are finding the minimum value of those maximums. If you are able to understand this, then you can easily code this up, and thank you.